In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Asana and recover a task. This guide will help you confidently navigate the platform and quickly rectify any accidental deletions. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Asana website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Asana. Once the page is loaded, you'll notice the Login option conveniently located in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on that and you'll be taken to the login page. If you've logged in before, this may look familiar to you. Once you're on the login page, you'll see a couple of options for logging in. I recommend clicking on Continue with Google for a quick and seamless login process. Simply choose the Google account you usually associate with Asana. This method is not only faster, but ensures that your credentials are secure. Now that you're logged into Asana, let's address the main topic. Undoing a deleted task. It happens to the best of us. We delete something by mistake and need to recover it. Fortunately, Asana has a built-in feature that allows you to undo a deletion. But there's a catch. Time is of the essence here. If you have just deleted a task and want to bring it back, keep an eye on the lower left corner of your screen. You'll notice a small Undo button appears. Be sure to click on this button to recover your task. One thing to remember is that this option is only available for a brief window, often just a few seconds, so it's important to act quickly. The Undo button is a handy feature but requires prompt action. If you miss this window, unfortunately, the task will not be recoverable through this method. This brief time frame means that you'll want to make it a habit to review your actions if you suspect an accidental deletion. And there you have it, a straightforward and reliable way to recover tasks in Asana using the Undo button. Keep in mind that while this feature is incredibly useful, it requires your quick attention due to its fleeting availability. By familiarizing yourself with this process, you can work more confidently in Asana, knowing that you have an immediate safety net for those inevitable slip-ups. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to navigate Asana with ease. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks like this one. Happy task managing and see you next time.